In today's video, I'm going to teach you why your zero balance sheet looks wrong and how to fix it quickly. 5 minutes. Start by signing in to your Xero organization and opening your dashboard. Before you dive into fixes, it helps to know the common culprits. A balance sheet that doesn't tie usually points to bank feed issues, miscoded transactions, opening balance errors, one-sided entries, timing differences, or even incorrect report groupings or formulas. Knowing which category your issue falls into will help you fix it faster. Let's move through the quick fixes. First, reconcile your bank accounts. Open each bank account in Xero, head to the Reconcile tab, and match every bank statement line to an existing transaction. If statement lines are missing, import them from your bank feed or statement file. Watch for duplicates and make sure the statement balance in Xero agrees to your actual bank statement on the report date you're checking. Next, use Find and Recode to clean up miscodings in bulk. Go to Accounting, then Find and Recode. Filter by date, account, contact, or tracking categories to locate the problem entries. Select the affected transactions and recode them to the correct accounts. This tool leaves an audit trail so you can see what changed later. Be precise with your filters and review totals before you apply changes. Now verify opening balances. Compare the closing balances from the previous period to the opening balances in Xero. If you migrated to Xero, confirm the conversion balances and dates are set correctly. An incorrect opening figure can throw off every subsequent period, so fix those first if they're wrong. Review unreconciled transactions next. Open the account transactions view for each bank and look for items still marked unreconciled or unmatched. Clear duplicates, attach missing payments to invoices or bills, and tidy up any very old items that were never properly matched. Then check your balance sheet report layout. Customize the report and make sure key accounts like drawings, capital, and other equity or clearing accounts are included and grouped correctly. Misgrouped or excluded accounts can make the totals look off even when the data is fine. Finally, look for manual adjustments. Run the transaction list by date report and scan for manual journals or unusual entries. Confirm they're dated in the correct period, posted to both sides, and coded to the right accounts. Reverse or correct any that were entered in error. Once you've completed these checks, refresh your balance sheet. If it's still not right, consider timing differences in the report basis, then loop back through the areas that showed inconsistencies.